Today I'm teaching you how to unblock the pin on your Revolut virtual card. So obviously go ahead and go over to the Revolut website. It'll lead you to this page. Make sure you select the country that you live in and then hit log in. After you do that, it'll ask you to scan this QR code, which you can do on your phone camera app. It'll then lead you to the Revolut app and then ask you to type in the pin. So go ahead and type in your pin and then you should have access to your account. So from here, what you're going to want to do is head over to the cards. And then here, as you can see, this is my one virtual card. I'm going to just left click. Then here you can go ahead and go over to the settings, as this is where you can set up the pin. Then here, as you can see, unblock pin /CVV, use after exceeding 3 tries. So this is how you would unblock it. Super simple, super straightforward. Now keep in mind there are some issues with this, as if you already succeeded the 3 tries, it's either you one, forgot what your pin was or your CVV was, or two, someone has taken your card and is using it. So be very careful with this, and if that honestly happened, go ahead and terminate the card. Don't even keep it. Okay, you're better off just making a whole new one, especially on the free plan, as I'm on the free plan, and that's exactly what I would do in your situation. If this was helpful, consider subscribing. Have a good one.